$84,000 worth of student loans deleted. That's right, and 171-point boost. What's up, YouTube fan? Brandon Weaver here once again. That's what I'm talking about. It is possible for you to get unverified student loans deleted from your credit report. I'm telling you right now, I've got someone else who got 2 of her student loans removed as well. Her name is Jen, and we're gonna start right there. I'll tell you right now. Jen emailed in. Her email subject says gratitude. It says because of you, and this is what we got right here. This big old, I boosted it right, I blew it up, printed it out, okay? Y'all know what it is. I'm gonna let y'all take a look at that, okay? Removed. Student loans, deleted off the credit report, okay? Removed from your credit report. This do-it-yourself individual, this person writing in the emails, this person doing what they're supposed to be doing and their due diligence, right? 609creditrepair.com, sending in these dispute letters, getting these negative, nasty, erroneous, unverified student loans off the report. Another individual did the same thing, okay? Aaron writes in, Brandon knows his material. I was skeptical for the first 2 rounds, okay? No change. However, on the 3rd round, on round number 3, $84,000 worth of student loans removed from TransUnion. Credit score shot up 171 points. 171 points. Yes, it took a couple of rounds, right? Well, no, we think it's verified. We're not really sure. Pushing back, seeing if this person would give up, if Aaron would give up. But Aaron did not. Aaron was persistent. Aaron went through the material, went through the rounds of letters necessary to get $84,000 worth of student loans deleted. What could you do with a 171-point boost? You can get that house that you're looking for. What could you do with a better debt-to-income ratio with the $84,000 not on that report? The student loans, right? This is the type of stuff you can do for yourself. It's outlined for you in that Beyond Committed package at 609creditrepair.com. Get it now. It starts now. When does it start? It starts now. Or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com, okay? You may be next, but only if you do the process, only if you go through the work, only if you get to the other side, right? So this is the type of stuff you can send out. Now, in there, as well in the Beyond Committed package, we've got letters that you can send directly to that student loan holder. That's right. Directly to this individual, these companies, right? These companies that are supposed to have your promissory notes, your original instrument of indebtedness, your contracts, right? That kind of stuff. But if not, right? All right, if they can't provide, removed. $84,000, removed. 171-point boost, removed. If this video helped you out, please give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe tribe button. Jump on thesubscribetribe.com for the dates and times of when I go live, because I need to be going live more. All right, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.